Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little notification bell. That way you can get notified each time I upload my newest video. And today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys this get ready with me because I did some beachy waves to my hair and I'm going out tonight with one of my good guy friends. We're going out to dinner and I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys my look for the evening. I did a bold, like, classy red lip and I just thought it was really fun, and I have my fake eyelashes on and this really voluminous beachy hair waves like I mentioned earlier. I'm just obsessed with this look and I wanted to share it with you guys because I know you guys like seeing my makeup tutorials, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's just get into it. So I'm going to be starting off by using my Irresistible Me Black Diamond Flat Iron. I just got this. I absolutely love this product so much, you guys. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks just to make sure I really like it. I love it because it has this LED screen so you can see what the temperature is on your flat iron. It heats up super quick. It has these gorgeous sparkly rose gold titanium coated plates, which is awesome for keeping your hair shiny, and like it just really helps when you're doing it. It feels a lot different than a regular flat iron and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to be parting my hair to get these waves. So I'm going to do smaller sections and I'm going to take a small section like this. It's like about a 1-inch length of hair and I'm just going to be going back and forth with the flat iron. I don't really know how to describe this motion too much, but it's super easy once you get the hang of it. I watched multiple tutorials on it. It creates a beachy wave and that is exactly what I was going for with this look. So I'm just going to keep repeating this motion over and over again. And I love this flat iron because it makes your hair so shiny afterwards. The flat iron just glides through your hair so smoothly without pulling or breaking any of your hair, which is so awesome. Again, I will have this flat iron listed down below if you guys want to check it out, and I do have a 20% discount code for your first order off of Irresistible Me if you guys want to check it out. And I just want to show you guys a little motion of the flat iron that I was doing when I was doing the waves. So you just kind of twist your wrist like this, if that makes sense. So after I get all of the waves done, I'm going to go by and do any little touch-up pieces that I need to, or just flat iron my bangs into it so it kind of flows evenly. And that is the look. I absolutely love this flat iron and I totally recommend it. Then I'm going to be using my Garnier Fructis hair styling hairspray, and this just adds extra volume to it and I like to keep all the waves in. And after that, my hair is finished and I'm going to be starting my makeup. So I'm just going to be using my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer to moisturize my face. Then I'm going to be following that by my Baby Skin Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. I like to use this on my T-zone. It keeps your face nice and smooth looking. And I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl BB Cream to add a nice layer of foundation to my face. I don't really like using foundation. I like this because it's nice and lightweight and it's just a nice coverage. And I'm using a beauty sponge to blend this in. After that, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I love this stuff. It really brightens up your face. I'm just going to be adding it like I did in this video. It looks like a lot, but you just blend it in and it just really brightens it up. And then I'm going to be taking my NYX Wonder Stick and contouring and highlighting my face. Again, this might look different according to your face shape. It just takes a little bit of practice. And I'm going to blend this out again. And it just blends in really easily. You just want to make sure it's really blended and no like harsh lines or anything. Then I'm going to be going in with my NYX HD Studio Powder and I'm going to be kind of caking my face. I don't really remember what this is called. I think it's called baking, and you just kind of put it underneath your eyes. It keeps it so it doesn't get like all crinkly and wrinkly, I guess. I'm so new at makeup, so I'm sorry if I'm getting this wrong, but I really think that helped, and again, it keeps it on for the whole night, and that's what I was going for. Then I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild contouring palette to contour my face once again, just to add some more definition to it. My favorite part is my Sculpt and Glow palette. This is a bronzer I like to add on top of my contour. It just makes your face look so glowy. It looks like you just came back from the beach, and I absolutely love how this looks, and I love it. It's my favorite step in my makeup tutorial. Then I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow palette from Profusion as well, and I'm just going to do a simple smoky eye, and I like to do this very simple because I think my makeup tutorial is so bold with the red lips, as you guys saw from the beginning. And this is my favorite color, you guys. It's a really like sparkly taupe color, and I just think it's so pretty. And you could leave it like that, but I like to add a little bit more brown, just a very little, to make it more defined and just kind of more smoky looking, especially since it is fall. And that is my finished smoky eye. Then I'm going to be taking my NYX Dewy Finishing Spray and just spraying that on my face just enough. And taking my favorite highlight. This is by Wet n Wild, and I love this stuff, you guys. I use this every single day, and I'm just going to add this to where I usually add a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to be taking a beauty sponge to blend this out. To really make my highlight pop, I'm going to be adding this Pixie highlight as well, and I just love this product so much. It really is just the perfect highlight for my skin tone and everything. I think they sell it at Target if you guys are interested in it. And once that's done, I'm going to work on my brows, and I get so many questions about my brows. I do them a little bit differently each day, but this day I just brushed them up, and then I filled in all the little spots that needed it, and then I would just brush out the pencil, and that is it. It's super simple, but I have naturally thick brows, so it's very helpful that way. But I just love how natural it looks, and it looks like a bold brow, which is really fun. And once that's done, I'm going to be putting on my fake eyelashes. I absolutely adore these lashes. They're from Ardell. They're the wispy black lashes. Super simple. You just glue them on and put them on your eyes. I have a tutorial on my Instagram. I'm so bad at doing this on camera, so I just kind of skipped that step. And then I'm going to be adding my Maybelline Lash Sensational to my bottom lashes. And to finish this look off, I have to have my bold lipstick. So this is by Pixie. I love this lipstick formula. It is in the orange red color. It's so beautiful. It's a really fun matte lipstick, and it just goes on so nicely, and it lasts forever, you guys. So it's perfect for a date night. And that is the finished look. So thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. If you haven't already and you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and definitely check out Irresistible Me's new flat iron, the black diamond. I will have it listed down below, and I do have a discount code if you guys are interested to get 20% off your first time ordering. So be sure to check it out. It's all listed down below, but I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!